Hi guys, this is Dhanashekhan, and this video I'm just gonna show you the quick unboxing of the new JBL Flip 3 and also see the specs of it. Let us go inside. And this is the JBL Flip 3 portable Bluetooth speaker, and it costs around 7,999. Yeah, this is having a Bluetooth 3.0, and it also have the 10 hours of playtime. It has a speakerphone and it is a water resistant one. Okay, the box looks good. Harman, yeah, good. Okay, let's go to the quick unboxing. Okay, this is nice. What is this? This is a productive case for this. Okay, this is the Bluetooth speaker itself. Okay, good. Let's keep it on the side. Let's see what all stuff we have. This is the lightning USB cable, JBL encrypted, good color, yes. And this is the warranty card. This is the user manual. Yeah, good. Okay, it's pretty good to hold. Yeah, it's weightless. There's a JBL encryption. Pretty nice to hold, yeah. And this is the power on button. This is the battery level indicator, and this button is for the Bluetooth connectivity, and this is the volume controllers, and this is the button for your call pickup. These two are the bass, and you will get the audio from here. Okay, and what is this? Yeah, this is the multiple connectivity of your JBL Flip 3 with one mobile device. And what is this? Okay, good. You're getting a charger point, USB cable charger point, and an aux cable for your aux connections, etc. Let me play music. Okay, I'm back with the music, and I'm playing the music. Wait, this is not the full sound, man. That's fantastic. I can't play the full song. Sorry for that. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Keep supporting me.